We're going to look at a very important keyboard command in this lesson called the undo. If we take a brush and we have a 13-point brush selected and we have white, and say I want to draw on this image like so, and I did that, I don't know why. I was getting in touch with my inner child, who knows, and I want to undo that. It's very easy to do that. I can go up to Edit, Undo Brush Tool, and it tells me the tool that I just used. It is Control Z on a PC and Command Z on a Mac. I'm going to click that and it's going to undo what I just did. Now suppose I want to outline these flowers. And I'm going to outline this other one. I'm just dragging my mouse, using my brush tool, and creating an outline around this flower. And I want to undo that. I'm going to use that keyboard command, Control Z, and say I want to get rid of the next one. If I hit Control Z again, it's not going to get rid of that second one. It is only redoing the one that I just undid. And if we go up to Edit, you can see we can undo the brush and then we can redo the brush. We can only undo it once. If we want to undo it more than once, then we need to use another keyboard command, which is Alt-Control-Z on the PC or Option-Command-Z on the Mac. I'm going to hit Undo Brush, and then I'm going to hit Alt-Control-Z and undo that second one. Memorize that keyboard command. It is going to be extremely useful when you experiment or do things and you want to step backward. Now, if you are heavily involved in an image and you are making multiple edits over a period of time, I'm going to show you a more effective way to undo what you just did. So let's move over to the next lesson and I will show you how to use the history panel.